Next, we have what's known as the Contextual Tab. The Contextual Tab will only appear when you select a tool. So as an example, if I select my wall tool, we'll notice we're on the Architectural Tab. We have the Architectural ribbon. So when I select my wall tool, you'll notice that the tab will change. We are now on what is known as the green Contextual Tab. So it says Modify Place Wall. So every time we select a certain tool or component, the actions which we can carry out with that tool will be displayed. So when we're creating a wall, we're shown the Draw panel, which shows various methods which we can draw a wall, as well as the Contextual Tab and the Contextual panel. We'll also get an Options bar. So again, this Options bar is specific to the wall, and if we were to change the tool, the options would vary for that tool. So double escape to finish. If I then select door, Contextual Tab will appear. The two panels in which I can use for that door only appear, as well as the options bar for that door. So this process is the same for every tool, and you'll notice that as we're progressing in the project, this will repeat again and again.